Welcome back. In this video, we'll download and install the ClickMimic app. Open clickmimic.com, shown in the video, in your browser. Then, in the top navigation bar, click the Download button. Once you're on the download page, click Download Installer. After downloading the installer, run it. If the SmartScreen window appears when you open the installer, click More Info, then Run Anyway. After launching the installer, first click Next. On the next screen, I recommend checking Create a desktop shortcut, then click Next again and Install. Wait for ClickMimic to finish installing. After the installation is complete, check Launch ClickMimic, click Finish, and wait for ClickMimic to start. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed the app. Get ClickMimic in clickmimic.com/buy.